Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the FPS drops in games using the NVIDIA application. Let's begin. First, I want you to access your NVIDIA control panel. Go to your Windows search bar and type NVIDIA control panel. Click on it, then wait for it to show up on your screen. We just basically need to go and click on Manage 3D Settings. Then go to Global Settings. Scroll down. I want you to find Shader Cache Size. Make sure to select this and go click on Disabled. Once done, make sure to click Apply. Then we need to go to your NVIDIA application. Type in NVIDIA application on your Windows search bar. Then on the left panel, click on Drivers. Then over the section, you will see a drop down that you can choose between Studio Driver or the Game Ready Driver on your upper right corner of your screen. Okay. If your PC is built for gaming primarily, choose Game Ready Drivers. Or if it's just for general use, like a mix of games, work, and content, choose Studio Driver. So for this, you can choose Game Ready Driver, click on it, and it will automatically install or update your driver. And once everything is complete, you can now close NVIDIA application, then head back to the Windows search bar, type Windows or Disk Cleanup. Click on it. Then I want you to scroll down and make sure to select this option, DirectX Shader Cache. Select that one over here and then make sure to click OK and then clear everything. Once that is done, you can now go restart your PC right away. And once you're back on your screen, following all of those steps, your game should now be in stable condition and you will no longer have those FPS drops. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.